Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will learn how to multiply using repeated addition. Here we have 3 stars and 3 more stars. We have 2 groups of 3 stars. Our first group, and here's our second group, and each has 3 stars. 1 group of 3 stars, 2 groups of 3 stars. We know that means 2 times 3 because this can be read as 2 groups of 3. So we know that we can add 3 plus 3 together. We get 6 stars. So we also know that 2 times 3 equals 6. We are using repeated addition to find that 2 times 3 equals 6 because we add 3 plus 3 and we get 6. Let's try this one. We have 3 groups of 4 bananas. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. Each of these has 4 bananas inside. So we know this stands for 3 times 4. 3 groups of 4 bananas. Let's add 4 plus 4 more plus 4 more. That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12, then 3 times 4 also equals 12. Here we have 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. Let's count our groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each group has 4. So we know that we can add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 5 times and we get 20. So we also know that 5 times 4 equals 20. Here we have 2, 2, 2, and 2. Let's count our groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups? 4. How many in each group? 2, 2, 2, and 2. Let's count it all up. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So guess what 4 times 2 is? 4 times 2 is 8. The product is 8. Let's try this. We have 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals or is the same as something, a factor, times 5. Well, we need to figure out how many groups of 5 we have. Let's count. 5 candies for this one, 5 more for this one, and 5 more for this one. Now we can count our groups. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's 3 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3. So we know this says 3. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is the same exact thing as 3 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3 with 5 inside of each one. Let's look at this one. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals blank times 3. It might look a little complicated, but let's draw it out. 3 pens plus 3 pens plus 3 pens plus 3 pens. Let's see how many groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is the same thing as 4 times 3. 4 groups of 3.